some of you in the WeChat said that there is something wrong with during the internet meeting because you cannot see the screen clearly. For your sake, in this week I will teach you again about the MATLAB plot document. I already sent you the plot documents in your WeChat group, which in the WeChat. Maybe you can open the plot documents and try to practice by yourself. And in this time, I will teach you again. Okay. For the MATLAB plot function is a very strong and useful toolbox. It can help you to draw pictures, to help you to clearly understand to read the information. Because for the plot function, okay, let me open this. I'll open the plot function for you. Okay, everyone, please have a look at the screen. This is the help document for the plot. The plot function is very strong. We can use for the 2D, 3D line plot. In this process and practice, all you have to learn is to learn about the 2D line plot. Here, the function, the command is to just directly type plot on the screen. And here we can input the x and y value. It can draw the data of y and the data in x. Here there are some descriptions and explanations. If x and y are both vectors, then they must have equal length. And how about the rest of your classmates? Sorry? PC. Okay. They must have equal length. The plot function y versus x must have the equal length. If x and y are both matrices, they must have the equal size. And here there are some brief introduction about the plot. Here this is an example. This is an example because here we are drawing a picture. X as a vector of linearly spaced values between 0 and 2 pi, using an increment of pi divided 100 between the values. Create y as the signed values of x. Create a line plot of the data. Here x is the input value and y also is the input value. Then we can simply using the function as plot xy. And then here x means this x line means the x value starts from 0 and ends at 2 times pi. And here the y line refers to the values of y, and y equals to the sign values of x, so that we simply just type the one line command as plot xy. Then we have this line plot as this. Okay, and here in our work, firstly, let's check our homework. Okay, the homework is to ask you to draw to use MATLAB or Excel. Using the Tangent uses the Excel to draw the plot, and it's very clearly and simple. But in this class, I would like all of you to learn how to using the MATLAB to draw the function. So we are using the MATLAB to draw the total system cost versus the corresponding system demand. Here, let's change the title as this, so it's simple. Here we have our x and our y. X is the system demand and y is the total system cost. And then we are drawing because system demand from our 1 to our 12 is a vector contains 12 variables, and the total system cost is also a vector contains 12 variables. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear so far? Okay, now we have the input x and input y. Then we will have to draw the using MATLAB to draw the functions. Firstly, we have to input the value. We have to input the value of x and y. Here system load demand from our 1 to our 12. Here is this is given as this vector. Is that clear? This is the course we are using the code proc function as I already told you in last week. We are using the code proc function to calculate the total system cost, and here the cost is vector contains 12 variables. Okay, this is the cost. I directly copy the cost here in the function. Here we have our x and y, and then this x equals to 1 to 12. This means that the increment of x is 1 and starts from 1 and ends at 12. Okay, and then we are using the fit function. Then we can have we running this editor function. Then we can draw the picture. Oh, here this is the figure that we got, and then we are using the MATLAB. The editor profile. Then we can help us to edit the figure. Here from here as this the x line refers to the time. It's the time. And then we are insert our legend. This is called the legend. Data 1, this is the blue line. This refers to the system load demand. And then data 2 refers to the rate line. And this line, it refers to the system cost. Okay. After we drawing the picture, then we can using the save function, save as. Then we are saving the figure we already drawn as a MATLAB figure, and then we are saving this. Okay. Next time we can directly open the figure, and then we do not have to draw it again and again. This is a simple example. We can also using the edit function here. You can see we are using the edit function. We can help you draw it. We can help you edit the pictures we are drawing. Okay, like. Then we can change the line values. Okay, as the line values. See, we can make the line values. Okay, we can also make the different line. We can make this line into the solid line. Okay, you can using the MATLAB function to change the color and the values of the line. And here we can using different marks. Here we have the square marks and we have the cross marks. Okay. This is a simple example. After this time's description, I'm sure that all of you can easily complete the task. Okay, is that clear so far, everyone? Please send me your homework by the end of this week. Okay, for task 2, everyone, for the overseas students. Okay. Is that clear? This is the figure. This is the figure, okay? Is that clear? Then we are using the edit function. Just have this, and then we are using the edit function. Then we can change the value of the line. Okay. we can changing the different line style, we can changing the color, we can changing the wells of the line here. Well, and also we can making the different marks of the line.